Welcome to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we're sharing with you a full dining review of Paula Deen'S Family Kitchen in Branson, Missouri. This restaurant opened in fall 2019 and features some of Paula's classic comfort food recipes and oozes with Southern hospitality. This restaurant is located in a prime location at the Branson Landing, which is a premier shopping and dining destination in Branson. In true Southern fashion, this restaurant serves its guests family style, with lots of options to choose from. You can also request as many second helpings as you would like, just like you can at Grandma's house. Appetizers consist of Southern classics like fried green tomatoes, fried okra, and hot seafood dip. Family-style dinner options include the Albany with a choice of 2 down-home dishes and 4 sides, or the Savannah with 3 home dishes and 4 sides. The down-home dish options include fried chicken, pot roast, pork chops, meatloaf, ribs, chicken and dumplings, and catfish. And there are many side options to choose from as well. Working on a masterpiece over here. Let's look at this. Fun facts about Branson. So we've got the state bird, the eastern bluebird, the state fish, the channel catfish. Missouri was named after a tribe called the Missouri Indians, meaning town of large canoes. I love it. Beautiful drawing, Emma. First Paula Deen'S Kitchen opened in April 27th, 2015 in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. On the other side of her coloring sheet, we have the Show Me State, and look at these pretty drawings she did. Pretty coloring. The official state dessert is ice cream. All right. All right, the first course of our meal is the garlic butter biscuit. What do you think?
It's really good. So this is, this is great for the kids by itself, to be honest. But it's just it's like Red Lobster biscuits, but fresher, more cheese, more butter, really moist, just delicious.
Yeah, nice coating of butter and garlic on top.
What do you think, Emma?
What do you think, Emma?
I love it.
Delicious? Here you go, here's a close-up for you guys. Deliciousness. You got the green beans, the cream mashed potatoes, cream corn, chicken and dumplings, the pot roast with butter rice, a poppy seed salad, and the fried chicken. Big old bite of that yummy chicken and dumplings. How's it? Do you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up. Over here. I'm going to try some of the pot roast, see what it tastes like. It is very flavorful, very tender. Good, like slow roasted onions. It's like Grandma makes it. I'm going to try the green beans as well. These look really good. Nice slow cooked green beans. They're very Southern style. They cooked them with some potatoes and some, it looks like some bacon. Try some of this chicken and dumplings too. Chicken and dumplings mixed with some of those creamy mashed potatoes is amazing. That's like true comfort food for me. I'm gonna try some of the cream corn too. The cream corn is a good combination. It's very sweet, balances out all of the other savory and salty foods. This is a really nice sweet addition for a side. Try some of the salad too. This is a salad with a poppy seed dressing. Nice fresh romaine salad. Let's see what that's like. very good. Obviously dressing is nice and fresh. Just a good clean dressing on a nice salad. Definitely good. All really good options that we've gotten so far. All right, he's gonna try some of this fried chicken.
I haven't had fried chicken in a long time. Might be the best I've ever had.
That's because it's Paula Deen's.
Yeah. Really juicy, crispy skin.
Nice and crisp and juicy. I think she likes the chicken leg. For the dessert options, everyone gets to select their own dessert, so we decided to try a little bit of everything. The options included 2 different kinds of Ooey Gooey Butter Cake, a classic and a pumpkin spice, as well as banana pudding and apple or peach cobbler. I got the Peach Cobbler. It looks really, really good. Get those peaches. And then the big piece of cobbler on top. Very, very like nice crust. I have a huge peach right here. Try to get a bite. Oh my goodness. So if you're a fan of peaches, this is fantastic. Peaches are sweet. It's warm. This is true like happiness in a bowl. Get some of that more cobbler in there, so you can see that cobbler is crispy on top and nice and soft underneath with the peach. Wow, that's just like my grandma's. Try some of this yummy peach cobbler. See what you think. What do you think? I think she liked it. All right, the guys got the Ooey Gooey Butter Cake pumpkin spice. What do you think?
Very, very pumpkin.
Very pumpkin?
Which I love.
He's a huge pumpkin pie fan.
Delicious.
Oh.
It's called Ooey Gooey for a reason. It's
Ooey Gooey. It's very, very Ooey Gooey. Get a close-up shot of that. Oh wow, it looks really good. But it's got a good pumpkin spice flavor. Awesome. The restaurant also has a cute little gift shop at the entrance, including many products from the Paula Deen line, such as aprons, sauces, mixes, and more. I really love the adorable aprons and all of the holiday merchandise as well. Thanks for joining us for our review of Paula Deen's Family Kitchen. If you've never been, we would definitely recommend you try out a location near you. If you enjoyed our video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like these. Let us know in the comments below if you've been to Paula Deen's restaurant, as well as your favorite comfort food. We'll see you next time.